For this carry, baby must be able to sit unassisted, and it is suggested that you practice in a safe environment. Look inside the carrier to adjust the buttons to fit your baby properly. The carrier should reach the edge of your baby's knee pits. Secure the fit by snapping the buttons on both sides. Wear the carrier on your natural waist with the this side up tag facing upwards. Thread the waist strap through the square buckle. Pull the strap behind you and buckle it securely. First, we're going to shorten the straps. Push the buckle of the strap through the carrier. Pull the strap out from the bottom. Flip the carrier over and find the small pocket. Tuck the strap into the pocket to convert the carrier. Then buckle the carrier on the same side. Place the safety loop over the buckle. Repeat this process with the strap on the other side. Place the safety loop over the buckle. Next, you're going to attach the chest clip. Position the chest clip where you prefer. Clip it underneath the fabric on one side, and then match and clip it on the other. Hold your baby in front of the panel on the side of your hip. Pull the fabric of the carrier around your baby. Now start shifting your baby onto your back. Slide your arm around baby, thread your arm through the strap on the opposite side, and then repeat on the other side. Gently bounce baby into position on your back while still leaning forward. Once your baby is on your back, tighten the strap to secure them. Clip the chest clip to ensure carrier is secure. Make sure baby is positioned high on your back and that the carrier feels snug and secure. You're all set. Remember, practice makes perfect. Happy baby wearing.